The camera installation is easy if you follow these simple tips. The cameras included with your security system can be installed in a number of different locations. Camera location may depend on the following: the distance from the camera to the NVR, environmental conditions, lighting conditions, and intended monitoring areas. When cameras are positioned correctly, you can eliminate the need for additional cameras to cover your target area and maximize the efficiency of your security system. If you position cameras incorrectly, however, it can lead to blind spots or objects too far to view in detail. Keep these points in mind so you can get the most out of your security system. Mounting cameras at an elevated position can keep your cameras out of range of vandals or would-be burglars. Position the cameras in locations that capture as much area as possible without sacrificing video quality. For example, if your target is the backyard gate, position the camera so you can see the gate and the surrounding areas, so you can capture someone entering the area and not just the gate itself. To monitor the front of the house, install the camera where the roof meets the walls. This will shelter the camera from the elements, have a better field of view, and make it less likely to be vandalized. Most burglars will enter your home through the front or back door, so it's important to install a camera or cameras here. It is recommended to install the camera either above the door or to the side. Placing the camera at a slight angle will allow you to see who's approaching your front door, as well as give you the ability to see the person's face. It's a good idea to install a camera so that you have an entire overview of the backyard. Like the cameras installed at the front of the house, install the camera where the roof meets the walls of the house. If you have a side gate or more than one entrance to the backyard, you may want to have an additional camera focused to that area. Place interior cameras in high traffic areas such as entry and exit points, hallways, and staircases. Other ideal locations are next to windows in rooms that have high-priced valuables, such as electronics, antiques, and jewelry, as well as documentation for identity theft. For the best results, do not point the camera towards a light source. Pointing the camera towards a window intending to see outside may result in a poor image because of glare and lighting conditions. Don't place the camera in a shaded area that's looking into a well-lit area, as this will result in a poor display. For the best results, the light to the sensor located at the front of the camera needs to be the same as the light at the target. The camera uses infrared LEDs to see at night. Clean the lens from time to time if the picture degrades.